Today I'm going to show you how to fix a sticking door lock. There's lots of lubricants to decide to use. My old standby is Triflow. I've always liked this one. It's a silicone based. A lot of people use WD-40, just the basic one. Now it's a penetrating oil. It's not a lock lubricant, but for sticky locks or a lock that's jammed up on you, the WD is a nice start because it's a penetrating oil, but it does not lubricate your lock. If your lock is sticky, do not put oil in it. WD-40 is a penetrating oil, so it's not a lubricant. So it's good sometimes to help you unstick a lock, a door lock, but it's a penetrating oil, it's not a lubricant. The one, my go-to is Triflow. It's a silicone-based lubricant, and there's 3-in-1, there's all sorts. There's dry lubricants and wet lubricants. Now to unstick a lock, I like a wet lubricant, and we'll talk about the different ones in another video. A fairly new product is WD-40 has a silicone-based lubricant. We're going to give this one a try. I don't know yet. I've been using this one forever. A lot of people use Houdini. There's all sorts of different different lubricants that locksmiths like. This is a fairly new one. I've always liked the WD products, so we'll give this one a try on the sticking lock. So this is new to me. It's WD-40. It's water-resistant silicone, and it is quick drying. So this should be really good. The big problem is a lot of people go crazy. You don't have, just give it a little squirt, clean it off, because this lock is used pretty good. You know, there we go. It's quick drying. Let's just now I'll show you the other places you should when you lubricate your lock, where you should be lubricating it. So it should be, and just give a little bit of lubricant. Oops. Just give a little bit of lubricant on the bolt itself. It doesn't take a lot, you know, just a little bit. And that's about it, except for what I like to do. I like to do the hinges as well. And while I'm at it, just do the hinges. It's a little bit too much. Just wipe it off. It doesn't take a lot. This door has 3 hinges. And it's just a little bit. And let's do the bottom one. And now we're good. Work it a little bit. In the middle, just work it a little bit. That's all there is to it. So doors are pretty simple. Fixing the sticky door lock, and might as well do the hinges while we're at it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website, and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.